Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Chatter. Today in this video I am gonna demonstrate you top 5 apps for students. So let's get started. So on the number 1 we have the app called FlowTube, a mirror app to your YouTube, and on the search bar you can search any education you want to see on YouTube. So I am searching about Code Fusion, a very useful channel. So moving into your video, just play it. While your video is playing, go to the top right corner and tap it on, and you can see that my video is playing side by, and I can use any other app while my video is playing. So I can type anything useful which is available in the video. You can resize the video. So it's a very useful app for students who needs note side by from a video. So on the number 2 we have the app called Alarmy. The main useful thing in this app is its alarm off methods, which are very different and rare from another alarm apps. On the number 1 we have the alarm off method, take a picture. In this you have to scan a picture of a particular object to turn off the alarm. On the number 2 there is shake. In this you have to shake your phone to turn off your alarm, and you can increase or decrease the shake level. Number 3 there is maths problems to turn off the alarm. Number 4 there is barcode scanner. In this you have to scan the barcode of particular product to turn off your alarm. So this is a very useful app for students who want to be punctual in their colleges or schools. So moving to the settings of this app, there are many different settings called prevent app from uninstall. This will prevent the app from uninstall while your alarm is playing. Number 2 there is prevent phone turn off, which will prevent your phone power off while your alarm is playing. So on the number 3 we have the app called Text Fairy, a very useful app which will convert your clicked textbook picture into a text file. You can take a picture or select any picture which you have clicked before from your gallery. So I have selected a picture. You have to crop the particular text area of your picture, and you can rotate if you have the rotated picture like me. So click on the enter button, and in this you have to select the alignment of your text which you want. So this process will take some time according to your phone's performance. So I am skipping the video. So yes guys, I have converted my all selected text into text file. And another very useful app for students. So on the number 4 we have the app called TickTick, a organizing app. In this you can make your schedule of your college or school. First of all you have to name your list. So I am naming the list called my routine. So just click on the tick button. So while you have named your list, add a task to your list. So I am adding any task like going for a run or doing my homework. So you have to select the timing in which time you want to get the reminder. Click on the enter button. So in this way you can add another task, more and more tasks to your list. So a very useful app to make timetable in your phone. And so on number 5 we have the app called Forest. So this app is not only for the students, for all those people who are addicted to the phone. So in this you have to build your trees to get more and more score and keep yourself away from the phone. So moving on the settings of this app, you can add the app in the list to prevent yourself from using that app while your timer is playing. I have selected some of the apps which I want myself to prevent to use. if I started the timer, I can quit within the 10 seconds, otherwise I will be unable to quit that timer. So after 10 seconds, if I try to use that app which I have selected in the list, the forest tab will prevent me to use that app. So if I click on the give up, I will be unable to build a tree, so I will use the game. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.